Okay, so let me introduce the board of directors here real quick. I am the president, and you see my name in two ways. One is my passport name, which is Jayasudha Pisati. That's my maiden name. I never changed my passport. But my married name is Sudha Reddy Kanadala. So you'll see me in those two names. And Jyotsna on my left she's the secretary of the group, and she works at Texas Instruments, and she's the senior project lead there. And Uma on my right and my left, this is perfect. She's the treasurer, and she's going to keep track of the ins and the outs of the finances for this corporation. And we've got everything posted online, ladies, on our website, bylaws, articles of incorporation, how we form, all of that info is online. And that, by the way, let me tell you, the board of directors thing is, we just need to have that for a corporation. So those are the three people, but that's not really what this corporation is all about. It's all of us who's going to make this group strong. So the members slide here says, we're continuously seeking women leaders who will engage in this group's purpose, mission, and share this passion. So that is the ultimate thing. So come together, share our interests and accomplishments. Encourage. Oh wow, you did that. How great. Congratulate them. So that is our thing. And where we are online, website, our Twitter, our Facebook page. And I'm just saying, members have to be proactive, make it fun to be in this group. Hi Shaknuji, how are you? Welcome.
I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, that's right. Thank you. Quite surprised there. Thank you very much. And then we're going to, as a group, we're going to find innovative opportunities, how we can do something different, That is where our talents have to come together. Is there something we can do creative, something so unique that, we can come together as collective minds. And then there's all these slides, why join this group, right? There's some things that I thought I should note is to amplify each of our voices. And when we have multiple voices together, we make a bigger impact, and that is the main thing. We have to make an impact as a big group. As when two brains work together, it's great. When multiple brains work together for a common cause, a lot can happen. Sky is the limit. Okay? And then we are going to, this is a platform where you build yourself, your skills, like I said in previous slides, network, learn about other people, diversify yourself, in knowledge. Don't can yourself into something so narrow. Don't try to limit yourself. There could be something just right next to you you're maybe missing. So open, see that and see how you can tap into that. Or maybe you can tap into Nirmita and say, how can I do this? I'm always thinking about that. How can I do something about it? She may come up with an idea that you can, say, oh, that really works for me. Yes. Thank you, ladies. This is a big, huge thing. Love you all. Sure. Take some place. Let me And everybody, please sign this card. Namaste. My name is Sudha Reddy, and here I'm standing with my friends and a lot of good. Encouraging entrepreneurs, and we are here together on the platform of Women Entrepreneurs DFW. We recently formed a non-profit corporation. We are tax exempt, and today is our first members meet and greet, and it has been very successful, and everybody is so excited with our mission and purpose and our objectives, and we are just so, we can't wait to do more better things for all of us and all of our supporters and more entrepreneurs out there in the community. And we're looking forward to serving as a big group. Thank you.
Rajani, I'm very excited to be here in this VDFW group. It's so exciting.
Hi, I'm Kavita. I'm very excited to be in the group, and I hope I can contribute whatever I could and expecting from others.
a few words on who this meeting had been possible. First of all, Mona here. She is our group member and she has been such a supporter for our group from the get-go. And she's the owner of Urban Tadka, a lovely, lovely restaurant. Come and enjoy the food. She has her heart into this place and it is absolutely phenomenal. You can check out the ambience here. And keep checking. And we're on Facebook, facebook.com. Page is VWE DFW. And we go by VDFW. We are women entrepreneurs. And our nickname is VDFW. So we're on Facebook. Like us, promote us, support us. Check out our webpage for our events, updates, progress. We're going to keep you all posted what we are doing. We have a lot of exciting things here that are going to be happening. We have people from eco-friendly business, Shubha and Kritika, Mona, Vasudha, and IT, Uma, boutique owner, and Tanuja, a doctor, Rajni, dentist, Kavita, a dentist. There's a bunch more women over there. Josna is our secretary. She's in IT at Texas Instruments. There's the twins, Tanuja's daughters, young entrepreneurs. We're sending a strong message to. And we have Mona there and a few other budding entrepreneurs trying to network, as you can see, trying to network and share and learn already. So we are at our big mission and hope you will encourage us and support us, sponsor us in whatever way. We have PayPal linked on our website for donations. They're all tax deductible. We love you. Donate to our cause and you see our progress. Thank you very much.